Standing here to recite a poem titled Bus, Bus, Bus. I wish I was a little bee with whisker my tummy. I fly into a honey pot and make my tongue gummy. Thank you very much.
Teachers and friends, my name is Nongspung. I'm from class 4. I stand here to recite a poem titled Name. Everybody has a name. Some are different, some are same. Some are short, some are long. All are right, none are wrong. I like my name, it's special to me. It's exactly who I want to be.
My name is Yamulana Singh. I stand here to recite a poem titled Names. Everybody has a name. Some are different, some are same. Some are short, some are long. All are right, none are wrong. I like my name, it's special to me. It's exactly who I want to be.
The title of the poem is Friendship. To care for a friend is what I like to do. Make them feel happy and laugh till we're blue. Go to the park and play basketball. Or even maybe go to the mall. Have an ice cream in the summertime. Grape bubble gum or even lime.
Nalor uskong hasngapi ong. Tuta ai kau. Hakmi shane ngadon hangne. Tir ngahen tiang wet kisnat.
Bro, kerjaan jangan ada iruna jangan koi. Ngayang hangne menta. Ban puli kajingwai. Belajar kerteng. Menung kemenor. Bala thoda ujaj. GH shooting. Nari kilo badret ba dimyo. Jajar upo kenjai goi breu. Kumlor mangkaral halor kasahit peneng. Lenti uprat yaman kilong renyang. Jingshai utbe kidinjar uino. Banyar kaktin kapule bat kathok. Shaprang ukentiu yala kilapong nai. Bansusing ube kalawe bapernai. Kubesha.
Ya pibaro. Kakerten jungari ay simiri nongsi. Ngayang hangi banpule ya kajigrawai. Umungong kemenor balathor IGH shooting. Nari kilo badriat ba demiu. Jar upu kinjai wibreu. Kumur mangkara halor kasahit beneng. Linti uprat yaman kilong rinyang. Cingshai utbe kidim jat wi ino. Banyar kaktin kapule bat katho.